Welcome to MTI TV. Today we're talking about how to achieve perfectly straight grout joints in a few simple steps, specifically with our MapeLevel EasyWDG tile leveling systems for ceramic and stone tiles. There are 5 color-coded sizes of spacers, ranging from a 1/16 of an inch up to 3/16 of an inch, according to the most commonly installed joint widths. But one of the things that sets this system apart is the ergonomically designed wedges. Their thin design allows them to be inserted into spacers quickly and easily by hand. The clips are also easily broken by hand. No tools are necessary when working with Mapei's MapeLevel Easy Wedge system. However, MapeLevel Easy Wedge pliers are available if you'd like to use a tool. Another cool fact is that the wedges are reusable. The MapeLevel EasyWDG system is quick and easy to use, preventing tile lippage and creating flat installations with perfectly straight joints. So for more information, give us a call at 1-800-992-6273 or to drop by our website at www.mapei.com. This is Sam for MTI TV. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To make sure you don't miss the next episode, click on the bell down below. Thanks again for watching this edition of MTI TV. Hi, this is Sam. If you enjoyed this video on grout joints, make sure you check out these videos on our mortars and grouts.